I'm Neeraj. I'm Senior Manager at Profound EduTech, and I'll be here to conduct this process today for you. So we have students here today from PBPIT Budgaon Sangli. I thank Arif sir from PBPIT agreeing to host this campus drive and allowing us to interact with their students. I guess thank you so much, Arif sir. And so welcome to Profound EduTech. So Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placement company. We are well known for quality trainings, and this quality is possible because of the kind of trainers that we have. All the trainers that we have, they are highly qualified, experienced, and senior trainers. Then we follow a strict hands-on approach. We give a lot of importance to your practical knowledge because ultimately when you start your career in the IT industry, you are expected to write codes, write programs. In case you are selected as a software tester, you are expected to write test cases, execute them, etc. Right? So your practical knowledge becomes of lot of importance, and that's the reason we follow a strict hands-on approach. Incubation program. So as you know that you have joined the session regarding Campus Drive by Profound EduTech for Fresher Incubation Program 22 batch. So let us try to understand what exactly this Fresher Incubation Program is going to be. Okay. So as a part of our CSR initiative, that is Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative, we have started Fresher Incubation Program. So under this program, we are intending to select 2022 batch students from colleges, so just students like you from different colleges, and incubate them by offering free of cost industry relevant software training. And it's not just limited to free of cost software training, but we're also going to provide them placements in leading IT companies. So this is the program of Fresher Incubation Program, under which there is free training and placement that Profound EduTech is going to provide to the selected students from this campus drive. Okay, and all the students, those who get selected from this campus drive, they will get offer letter, that is letter of intent from Profound EduTech regarding the Fresher Incubation Program. So this particular pre-campus talk will be followed immediately by an online test. Then we will be announcing the results of online test by tomorrow, and the students, those who clear the online test, they will be shortlisted for group discussion round. Again, the group discussion round will be conducted within next 2 days, and those who clear the group discussion round, they will get selected for Fresher Incubation Program, and they will get the letter of intent. The online test is based on aptitude, verbal, reasoning, and programming fundamentals as well. So here, non-CSIT students, don't be afraid because the cutoff for you is going to be lesser than what it is for CSIT students. Okay, because I know that few of you might not be very much comfortable with programming fundamentals. No doubt that these days many companies, they are recruiting all branches students, and you must be prepared by now, right? But still, the cutoff for electrical, mechanical, ENTC or other branch students, it is going to be lesser than what it is for CSIT students. Okay, so the test is going to be of 1 hour's duration based on aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and programming fundamentals. Then joining date for incubation. What will be the joining date? So once you clear the process of online test and the group discussion round, you will be selected for incubation. And this incubation, the training program will begin in the end of June and in the end of July. So one batch we are targeting to start in June end, and one batch we are targeting to start by July end or August first week. Okay. And as far as mode is concerned, the training mode is going to be both offline as well as online mode. So it will depend upon which technology training is assigned to you. Okay, then what will be the mode of that training? It will all depend upon that mode. Those who are comfortable in attending the offline training at our centers in Pune, they can attend in offline mode, or else there is also an option of attending the training virtually in online mode from the comfort of your home. So let us quickly try to know what are the benefits of the Fresher Incubation Program to the selected students. So obviously, the first and the main benefit is free training program in Java.NET testing based on industry requirements. Yes, all these technologies which are in high demand in the IT industry, Profound EduTech will be providing free training to the selected students through this program. Okay, then training will be in offline and as well as offline mode. So we will be taking into consideration your preference for online or offline mode, and we'll try our best to assign that to you. And it's not only limited only to the technical training, but we are also going to train you in aptitude and soft skills to prepare you better for your placements. And these trainings will be all conducted by our senior trainers, expert trainers. There will be free placement assistance with 3,100 plus clients like Amdocs, Bitwise, Deloitte, Exaver, Tech Mahindra, etc. And yes, of course, there will be regular campus drives for all the selected students. Those will be trained from Profound EduTech. Yes, so this is all from my side. Thank you so much for being patient and listening to this presentation. When you submit the answers, because you cannot go back to any previous question. You are not allowed to have mobile phone or calculator for rough work. Okay, you can carry a pen and paper and do the rough work. Okay, rest all the instructions are given in the test at the beginning of the test. Okay, you can go through and then start the test. Okay, very important instruction as far as the security is concerned: do not minimize the window or move away from the window for any reason. Okay, everything is tracked in the background, and during the test entirely you will have to keep your microphones and the cameras enabled. I'm posting it in the chat box. Of this online test will be announced tomorrow, and we'll also announce the schedule for group discussion round thereafter. Okay, please check the chat box where I have posted the link. So please note that you have to actually attend the test immediately. It's not that you take a link and appear it in the evening or so. No, you have to attend it immediately. The test will be active, available only till 3:45 p.m. and not after that. Okay, start the test immediately. It is active, activated only till 3:45 p.m.